Hey Paul, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a couple things just to make sure we're on the same page and you're kind of up to speed with everything. Um, so here's the different packages that we have. There's just three, and so there's three packages: all clean, extra clean, and then extreme clean. And then from there, the pricing is based on the type of vehicle. So obviously, the bigger the vehicle, the higher the price. So you can take a look at this, if you want to after watching this video. So just I'll just run through it real quick. And again, if you need to look at it, please do. The all clean package is the basic one. It's just, it's washing the outside really well and then detailing the inside really well. That's it. And then the extra clean is everything with the all clean plus the waxing. Okay, using the wax and the buffer. And I'm actually going to get you a machine buffer. I just need to get it for you. I need to get you one. So it's, the all clean package plus the plus the polish and buffing, which is the waxing. The all clean doesn't include the waxing. So you should be able to get it done kind of quickly, depending on the interior. And then the final one, the extreme clean, is the all clean plus the polish and buffing, and then and I'm going to change that to say wax and buffing, and then the upholstery or leather, so the seats and the floors if they need it, and that's why you have the extractor thing if you need it, or I mean you should, when we have an extreme clean, which it seems like most, and the business is still pretty new, but pretty much a majority of the details that we have are the extreme clean, which is good because we charge more, and then everybody makes more money. So just kind of keep that in mind. Let me show you. So this is our booking form, and we've never had anybody actually book through the form, but it's our software. So I'll just show you the form, and then you can play around with it too. And so and I do. I mean, this is all the bookings. You know how I do the booking. So you enter your address to start, and then you pick the size of the vehicle. So let's just say it's a large SUV, and then you pick which package you want. So I'm going to do the extreme clean. Okay. And then, so here, let me just go through, and then we pick, and then the customer or me or Carrie will pick the next available time slot. Okay. And so today's, Monday night, obviously, but our next available cleaner or detailer is you, and it's Thursday is the next available. So it automatically does that. And then so we can just pick one, and I'm just going to pick it here. Just because I want you to see everything. Terms and conditions, and then, leave key, I don't know, under front door mat, to get in the car or something. I don't know. And then at any time they can sit and come to the payment, and then go to details, and this is where they enter, name, email, phone, and then we take the payment, and then it'll say book now. But let me go on the inside. Okay, so basically, I mean, the main thing I wanted you to see was the different levels of cleaning. But let me just kind of go in so you can see it. So this was today's clean, and then because there's a couple things I need you to see. So like for tomorrow the 11th. So I'm going to go into this and just kind of open this one, and then here's the deal. So it just has the map, and you should be able to see most of this on your app. So you can enter job notes, which you should see there. And then all the payments. So here's the other thing is to make sure I think it does it on its own, but as far as because it tracks your phone, when you get there, unless you block it. So if there's an option to start the job, go ahead and start it. And it's not to track you or anything. It's everything that I do along these lines is just to cover us with the client. So, God forbid something happens on their property, we can say, well, he was only there from this time to this time, or whatever. You know what I mean? And then here's the other thing I'm going to ask you to do is when you get there, take photos, before and afters. And these are not necessarily to protect you or I mean, I guess it could come up if something were to happen. But it's also for like marketing. So if they're go ahead and just get in the habit of taking a few photos when you get started, especially if it's real dirty. You know what I mean? And then when you're done, take some photos. And then if there's anything like any damage, scratches or whatever, be sure to take photos of those for sure. Just so that we can cover our butts kind of thing. So that way they can't come back and say, oh my gosh, he scratched my car. Well, no, it was there before we started. Here's the proof. That kind of thing. So go ahead and, when you first get there and as you're getting started, be sure to do a good once over just to make sure whatever damage is on a car, you go ahead and get some photos of it, even a video if you need to. If there's like legit damage or, something's not right, go ahead and shoot a video of it and just put it in the thing if you can. Otherwise, just send me the video. So anyways, that was the main thing I wanted you to see, is just to kind of upload before and after photos. See what else. If you have any questions, let me know. If anything comes up, like I mentioned in the text, I'm going to get you there's a hair tool, a dog hair or pet hair tool. I'm going to get you, or I need to get it to you. And then I just need to order you like a drill buffer, with the pads and stuff. It'll just make it so much faster and easier for you. And then if there's anything else you need, let me know. And I'm not sure right now with the extraction. Just don't use a ton of soap. Go ahead and check out the videos and stuff when you have a second. Just keep learning so you can get better at it. We want to just keep improving all the time. So, all right, that's it. I really wanted to kind of show you just what everything looked like on my end. Show you the photo piece, which is important, and that's it. And then I don't know. There's no way you'll know, but I pay for the house cleaners. I pay, and it'll be for you too. Anytime you get a 5-star review, it's an extra $10 just on the top, for every 5-star review. So if you can get them to review you, and here I'll show you how to do that. So I'll show you real quick. So what I've taught or trying to teach the house cleaners to do is, so let's do all clean, is to save the link in their phone, like on the notes, on the notepad or whatever it's called. And I can send you the link if you're not able to get it. But if you go to your phone, so if you're, right now we have 2 Google listings. We have one in Fayetteville and then one in Cave Springs. And I'm going to try to get us one in Bentonville too. But so the Fayetteville one, no, that's not right. There, that's okay. So just make sure all clean auto detailing. And then when you pull it up, it'll be on the map, and just click on the map right here, and then it'll pull this up. And then if you go to directions, is the long way to do it, and just click. But on your phone it may not make you do this, but pull it up to where you see this on your phone, and if you go to where it says share and you open the link, just copy the link, and if you send this to the client, if they're happy, say, and just like you did today, which is what we need to do, we say, hey, I'm done, what do you think? Are you happy with it? Anything, whatever. And if they're happy, then go ahead and send them this link and say, and get them, hey, if you don't mind, would you take a second and leave us a review? We'd really be grateful. I get a few extra dollars for it, or whatever you want to say. But this is where you get the link from. And then, so I'm going to copy, I'll show you. So when you put this link in, the business listing comes up, and it just pops up, and it'll pop up on your phone or like here on a thing. So if you just text the client the business listing from your phone to their phone immediately, like when you're standing out in their driveway or whatever, and they can do this, and then just leave us a review. that would be awesome. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions. Actually, well, this is the made one. Make sure you send them the car detailing one. They look a lot alike because they're both businesses are called All Clean. So that's the made one. Just make sure you send them the car detailing one. All right, so let me know if you have any questions or you need anything, and we'll get you the pet hair thing, and we'll get you. And I don't know if I got you any upholstery soap, but just use a little bit of soap in the upholstery. You don't want to get a lot of soap in there, and just to get it clean, because really it's just getting the dirt out, extracting it. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later.